Introduce yourself.
How do we eat this?
Remove the shell and then sip the blood. The soup.
Alright, so I'm here in Makati City, trying my first ever balut. Okay, so you can see the half duck embryo here. It actually tastes not bad. Wow.
The salt ba, kuya? If you want, you can put salt.
Vinegar.
Or vinegar. Or vinegar.
The soup tastes good.
What does it taste like? Describe it. Describe
It
it.
tastes like duck soup. Yeah, duck soup with salt. Okay, so now I open this and eat this. Right? So here you go. The embryo.
Parang ko yun eh. You're killing the duck, baby. You like it?
Actually, oh my god, what is it?
Ano yan, kuya? Ha? Ah, that's the bone.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. No, bawal niya. Hindi yun kakainin. You don't, kinakain yun? You can eat it.
that's the most I can do. I cannot continue anymore.
How was the experience? You're a murderer.
It was interesting. Yep. And it didn't taste too bad. I actually like the soup, but when it came to the when I see the fur and the hair, I just couldn't take it anymore. Yeah, but an exciting experience. Thank you so much, Esther, over here. No cholesterol, premium quality, Susan Baker. Yeah, thank you so much.